Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. In today's video, I'll be transforming my daughter's room into a fun toddler's room. My idea is to make this room a place where she can play and have fun, but also functional for sleeping. This is a shot of her room before the makeover. We'll be taking out the change pad along with this big dresser to make room for something very fun. We also decided to upgrade her bed. This house bed was great for a while, but just not practical anymore for our needs. After I moved most of the things from the room, I started painting with Bear's kitchen and bathroom paint, as this was left over from my bathroom remodel. This took about 3 coats. In the next clip, you can see the bed I chose to go with. It's from Wayfair, and the assembly was surprisingly easy. I got this 3-pack of paintings from my local Winners and tried hanging them with this Velcro to avoid holes in the walls. But the Velcro was not strong enough, and I had to use screws to hang them. I just measured and marked where I wanted them to be before I started drilling the holes. I got this textured curtain from my local fabric land, and I hung the curtains as high as I could get them to the ceiling and a few inches past the window on each side to create an illusion of bigger windows. We decided to keep this blanket underneath of the curtains as well, just because we're going to be adding a projector here in a little bit, and we need the room to be pitch black in order for the projector to work nicely. I ordered these bookshelves off of Amazon and foolishly tried hanging them with the same Velcro I tried for the pictures above the bed, but they lasted only a few hours and came crashing down in the middle of the night. So I used the command strips instead, and they have yet to fall off, and they seem to work a lot better. It was kind of a blessing in disguise because, as you can see here, the first time I put them on the wall, I actually hung them one right above the other one, and then I had a change in heart and when they fell off, and I decided to hang them just slightly staggered from each other, and I like that look a lot better. So to make sure that these were hung straight, I just put a level on top of them and made sure that they were level, and then just pressed them against the wall. I went to my local dollar store to find some budget-friendly containers to use for storage in the closet. I came across these plastic ones that were stackable. I decided to hot glue them together, which is totally optional and not necessary, but I wanted to make sure my kids couldn't get them apart easily. So I just placed a small amount of glue on each corner. My daughter loves to color and draw, so I decided to make this chalkboard / magnetic wall in this fun shape. To create the curved top, I took a pencil and string. I measured to find the middle, and then I taped the string to the wall in the middle and attached the pencil. And I started from one side, and then I drawed my line to the other side. I started with Rust-Oleum's magnetic paint and did 2 coats. I found this paint to be very strong smell, and I would suggest opening a window when using it. I then did 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum chalkboard paint in the color black. I found this wall to look unfinished and decided to get these 2 shelves to hang over the top of the board. I just followed the directions that came in the box to hang. I I had a little helper to design the style of the top of these shelves. I got these magnetic holders off of Amazon and they work perfect to hold the liquid chalk pens. In this closet is where we decided to put the projector. Once it's on, you turn out the lights and it projects onto the wall straight in front of it, which is just painted completely white. Here's a clip of one of my older YouTube videos just to show you how the projector works. And that's it. Here's a clip of what the room looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas on how to decorate your child's space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.